Yeah. Let's go to paradise. Everything he do, you already know it's gonna be nice. He got the baddest, only good vibes exploring. These countries, let's explore the world and share our story. DCPRT in paradise. DCPRT in paradise. DCPRT in paradise. Yeah. DCPRT in paradise. Yeah.
So I'm not gonna count. Last night I was super tired and I didn't want to do nothing today. This Colombian girl DM'd me on social media asking me was I in Cartagena, and I told her yes. She asked me did I want to go out. I didn't really want to, but I said why not? It's more content. So I ended up going out with her. Shout out to her for giving me this content to give to y'all. We went to El Centro, as y'all seeing right here in Cartagena. And Centro is pretty much the most popular place to go in Cartagena as far as boutique hotels, plazas, upscale dining, nightlife, street art. I mean, pretty much everything. That's where everybody goes. Y'all should be familiar with this clock tower right here, the infamous clock tower. If you know, you know, but that's the clock tower. I said, why not go to Central? I haven't been yet. All I've been on was beach clubs and stuff like that. So we went out to El Centro, and I'm gonna give y'all a raw view of El Centro and also us enjoying some nightlife. Like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate all the love, man. Let me know if you've been to Cartagena yet. If you haven't, would you like to visit Cartagena? Let me know in the comments. Enjoy the video. All right, y'all, we're going to the restaurant called Lucina. Nombre Restaurante. Lucina? Yeah, Lucina. Yeah. You shy? So tímido?
Sí.
See?
Sí.
Nah. We out here, man. We in the Centro. Centro?
Sí, Centro.
Yeah, Centro.
Centro de PTG.
It's a pretty nice crowd out here too, y'all. All right, y'all. So we out here in the Central. There's a lot of people out here. Yeah, man. We walking. We got what, 15, 15? It's a long walk, man, but 5 minutes. You sure? She said 5 minutes. I don't think it's 5 minutes, y'all. It's like 15. But I'm gonna listen to her though. She knows what she's doing. Oh, what?
Hola, bienvenido. Adelante. Así que adelante.
What, cansado? Huh?
No, no.
Well, aquí. Allí.
Esa noche con la baby. Debería tirar más fotos de ti.
Sí.
En cada party te vuelvo a ver, en cada canción. Dime si te acuerdas de esa vez, cuando la música nos puso al revés. Tu cuerpo pegadita me tenía enchulado, cuando la vueltita con la nega demasiado. Si me ve cantando, sabe que estoy cantando de ti. Si me ve cantando, mamita, tú me tienes a mí arrebatado. Tú me tienes arrebatado. Otra copa me hace pensar.
So my thoughts on Lucina. Lucina is a low-key rooftop, nice rooftop. You can go chill, take somebody with you, you know, have a nice conversation, get a couple drinks. They got a nice variety of drinks to choose from. We didn't eat. I wasn't hungry. She wasn't that hungry. But we did get appetizers. I got like a little taco. But other than that, man, we just chill for a little bit and talk. But when you come to El Centro, you know, try out Lucina if you like the rooftop scene. I'm pretty sure it can get busy. But when we got done with Lucina, my plan in this video is to have you viewers feel like you walking with us. So I did limited editing once we left Lucina because I want y'all to see El Centro in its rawest form. I want you to feel like you're there. walking with us so you can get a nice visual, and when you come to El Centro, you know what to expect. So we went to the club, as y'all will see later in the video, and had a good time, man.
You smoke, you hookah, vape.
Hookah, but no hookah.
Hookah? You don't like hookah?
Me gusta hookah, but
Yeah, you said it.
like 7 a.m.
Okay, pero it's
No,
early.
See?
Eh,
Like, no mucho.
pero we can see the place.
See?
Party, we do some beach. Hey, disco, brother.
I'm good.
Delirium, Monkey Bar, Protesto, where are you going, my friend?
Come over.
You like the escort?
See, it's okay.
No. I have the I have a question for you. You like the escort?
Escort? No. ¿Por qué? No. No necesito un escort.
No, está bien.
Monkey Bar, amiga.
Yo quería saber. ¿Entiendes?
Why you
Quería saber.
Or not?
¿Sí? Eso es bueno.
But
Un momento, por favor, chicos. Hola, de este lado. ¿Es reserva?
a reservation.
Reserva, chicos, vale.
Oh no.
Vale, pero esta hora ya, mano, estuvo.
¿En serio, bebé?
Sí, ya mañana normal, mañana puedo regresar.
No. Okay. It's like this every day. Every day, like
Todos los días.
Mucho person, yeah, every day.
No, only the weekend.
Oh, weekend, okay. Yeah, she called me when I was tired, y'all. You know, but I'll be back with her next time. You know.
Okay. Good night, people.
Good night, people. Buenas noches.
Sí, buenas noches.
Okay. Like she said, man, buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
Okay. We didn't do too much, man. But I just wanted to get with her for a little bit, man, and just kick it with her for a little bit, you know.
What do you say?
Kick it with you.
Do you say?
Hang out.